Welcome to our tutorial series. In this video, we will be going through the different types of assessments. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you're faced with a question and you're unsure of how to proceed? Let's delve into some of the most frequently encountered question formats. Multiple choice. This type of question has only one correct response. Your task is to select the single best answer. Multiple response question. In contrast to the previous type, this question format has several correct answers. You'll need to select more than one response. Hotspot. This unique question type uses an image as the answer. You're required to pinpoint a specific location on the image that you believe represents the correct response. Drag and drop question. This format can take on various forms. For instance, you might be presented with a sentence with missing words, and your job is to drag the correct words into the appropriate blanks from a given list of options. Matching question. This involves a list of questions, images, or words that need to be paired correctly. Your task is to drag options from one side to their corresponding match on the other side. And there you have it. Those are the different question types. Thank you so much for watching. There are more tutorial videos available to you on our channel. If you would like to know more about something specific or have recommendations of a tutorial you would like to see, feel free to comment down below. Like and subscribe for more.